Dr. Hashemi, the series where partial discharge concepts are explained step by step. Today's episode is about the acoustic-based PD detection. Previously, we discussed about methods and measurement technologies for PD detection. One of them was electrical PD measurement and others were explained. Today, I want to explain the acoustic-based detection. The category of the PD measurement are conventional and non-conventional. The electrical PD measurement is categorized as a conventional approach. IEC 60270 describes the details and requirements of the electrical PD measurements. There are some non-conventional methods like the UHF and the acoustic emission that today we introduce. IEC TS 62478 document explain the non-conventional PD measurement methods. There are different methods that are not working similar to electrical PD measurements. They have some advantages and they have some disadvantages compared to conventional methods. By the piezoelectric sensors or PZT, you can detect the acoustic emission signals that are created due to partial discharge. There are some novel technologies like the fiber optic acoustic emission technology that is provided by Optics 11, named OptiFinder, can do similar to the piezoelectric sensor to detect the acoustic signals. There are a lot of advantages of the OptiFinder sensors compared to the additional piezoelectric sensors to detect the partial discharge. Later we discuss about that they are EMI immune, they don't need power at the sensing point or others. Today we focus on the acoustic emission and acoustic emission based PD detection. In addition to the PZT sensors that are attached to the surface of the high voltage asset to detect the acoustic emission signals, you can use the airborne system to detect the ultrasonic signals that are created by the partial discharges in high voltage asset. Ultrasonic airborne or camera are useful to detect the partial discharge in outdoor and overhead lines or windings and stators in the generators, large generators. But for some high voltage assets like the power transformer, cable terminations or ultrasonic cannot be useful. You should use the acoustic emission. And the range of the frequency of the acoustic emission based signals and approaches are different for the ultrasonic or others. Indeed, the acoustic emission is created due to the partial discharge activity. The mechanical sound waves are transmitted to the sensors and you can measure the partial discharge by this method. Today we discussed the topic of acoustic-based PD detection. We explained the standards and IEC documents related to the conventional and non-conventional methods and different testing devices to detect the partial discharge by acoustic signals. Thank you for watching. We see you in the next episode.